Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and in today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to make Pinterest pins in Canva that go viral. So you want your viral pins done, you want your Pinterest pins created. You can do this on Canva and I'm going to be showing you how. Your first step would be to log on to Canva. Once you've logged on to Canva, at the home section here, just go ahead and click on templates. Now where we have search millions of templates, simply search for Pinterest pin template. So go ahead and type that in. All right, once you've typed it in, go ahead and click on Pinterest pin templates and then allow Canva to show you the various templates that are available. Now, the templates layout or format should be 1000 by 1500. So that is the standard for Pinterest pins. And now when you're going to select a Pinterest pin, please take note that some are Canva premium templates. So you're going to need to have a Canva premium account to enjoy this template and make use of it outside of Canva. Now you can go with the free options that are available, but I'm just going to be going with the one that stands out to me, being this. So now once you found the design, go ahead and click on customize this template, which will mean it will open in a new background. Now in this new background, all you need to do now is simply go ahead and add bold text and lifestyle images. So you should replace some images on the design with something that speaks about what you're trying to sell or the kind of designs you're looking for on Pinterest, the designs you're looking to make. Now, once you've found them, once you've placed them at the center of your images, just go ahead and click on share at the top right. Click on share and click on download. Downloading is as good as exporting. So once you click on this, just select either a PNG or a JPEG and simply download it. Now you can upload this to Pinterest after a download by just simply downloading first and uploading, and you're done. So guys, that's how you can go ahead and stand out on Pinterest. Comment down below if you have a question. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.